In this video, I'll show you how to add fonts on Canva. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, Canva is used for designing like a whole lot of graphics, right? Graphic designs, thumbnail, and lots of things. So, if you love to add fonts on your Canva at first, you can add a headline, right? So, let's say from here, I can just type in, let me say, Happy New Month, right? Happy New Month. And if for any reasons, I'd love to add font. What I'm going to do right now, if you look on here, you're going to see this is the font, right? If you click on it, you're going to be displayed with a whole lot of other options right here. You can select from, right? So you can basically edit this and put it to any one of your choice from these options, right? So this is basically how you can add fonts here on Canva. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.